everybody, what's that we hear? It's vibrations in our ear, back and forth motion at different speeds. That gives us the sound we need. Tiny particles of matter move around, so matter must be there for sound. The larger the intensity, the louder all the sounds will be. Sound's not everywhere, you know. In a vacuum it won't show. In outer space it cannot go. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Frequency determines pitch, how high or low a sound can get. Flutes and violins are high, with short wavelengths going quickly by, while tubas are much lower pitch, so wavelength distances will switch. Put together many instruments, and music might be what you get. Sound's not everywhere, you know. In a vacuum it won't show. In outer space it cannot go. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Amplitude's a measure that shows how loud a sound will get. The higher decibels you hear can be harmful to your ear. Sound moves fast through solid things, like a metal fence or a bell that rings. Liquids carry sound real far, denser than the air they are. Sound's not everywhere, you know. In a vacuum it won't show. In outer space it cannot go. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Sounds of vibration, yeah, yeah. Sounds of vibration.